Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a high protein sandwich recipe ideal as a filling meal for breakfast, lunch or dinner in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. Into a kadai, I'm adding in 1 teaspoon wood pressed groundnut oil. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding in half teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds. And once the jeera starts to splutter, reduce the flame to the lowest. Add in 1 teaspoon sesame seeds, half teaspoon Kashmiri chilli flakes, half teaspoon turmeric powder, and give it a quick mix. Into this I'm adding in 1 handful or 1 cup of mixed sprouts. Pink Himalayan salt as needed. Give it a good mix. Half teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder or as needed. Cover it for about a minute. About a minute later, open the lid. Give it a quick stir. 1/3 teaspoon amchur powder, also known as dry mango powder. Mix it really well. Turn off the flame. Squeeze in half a lemon. Some fresh coriander leaves. And my mixed sprouts sandwich filling is ready. Now the best thing about this filling is that once it has cooled down completely, you can store it in an airtight glass container and it will stay good for a couple of days in the refrigerator. To make the sandwich, I'm going to allow the filling to cool down. While the sandwich filling is cooling down, I'm making a high protein green chutney. To make the green chutney, into my blender jar, I'm adding in a couple of sprigs of fresh curry leaves. Curry leaves are a good source of iron and folate, hence I like to include them in my recipes. To make the green chutney immune boosting, I am adding in 1 amla. This is salted amla. I have already shared how to make salted amlas. Please do check the description box below for the link. Now, if you have access to fresh amla, you can use fresh amla instead of salted amla. Amla is one of the richest source of vitamin C. 1 green chilli or as needed. To make this protein rich, I'm adding in 2 to 3 tablespoons of roasted gram dal, also known as pottu kadala in Malayalam. 1/4 inch ginger, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, a handful of small onions, also known as shallots. Squeeze in half a lemon, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon crushed black pepper powder, 1/3 teaspoon roasted jeera powder, also known as cumin powder, half teaspoon amchur powder, also known as dry mango powder, pink Himalayan salt as needed, 1 tablespoon water, a large handful of fresh coriander leaves. Note that I'm also adding in the stalk of the leaves. And I'm going to blend this until everything is nicely mixed and it becomes into a nice green chutney consistency. Okay, now the green chutney is ready. I'm going to keep this aside. For the sandwich, I'm using 2 homemade bread slices. Spread the green chutney on both slices of the bread. Place a generous amount of the mixed sprouts filling over the bread slice. With this filling, you can make 2 sandwiches. Cover it with the other slice of bread. Lightly press it down. Toast the sandwich before serving. Once toasted, I like to slice the sandwich before serving. So guys, do try this healthy mixed sprouts sandwich and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.